Albag, Filipino. I am 25 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a marriage and I have a one child. And my husband is working as a farmer and I am the sixth of the family.
Good day to you, Miss Lilibet. How are you today?
I am fine, ma'am.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Madam means sir, I am honest, responsible, hardworking, and trustworthy.
How will you avoid your homesickness?
I will keep myself busy at my work.
Can you tell us the proper way how to take care of the children?
Mom means sir, I will treat them like my daughter, my son, and then I will give them a nutrition foods, and I will take about them, and I will take care of them, and I will play with them.
What if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
Madam means sir, I will say sorry, and I will never do again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Madam means sir, hire me. I need this job for my future daughter, and I will promise that I will finish the 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Lilibet, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, mom and sir.